What's up, guys? Brett with Ansel's Adventures. So I need to do a channel update, let you know what's going on and where I've been. So it is January 27th and I have been sick for a month. Me and half my family came down with some kind of bug, virus, whatever, right after Christmas. It's not the flu, it's not COVID. It was tested for both of those. But it is relentless, nonstop coughing. Feels like you swallowed glass. I mean, just awful sore throats. Hacking my guts out. As you can see, I'm on the mend and the end of it, I hope. But it would go away for a couple days and then come right back full blast. And I haven't done anything other than work. I've been trying to stay out of the cold air and do the best I can to try to get better. Every time I'd get in the cold air, I would start coughing my brains out and just could not stop, and it was awful. So I would go to work and then come home and just rest. And that's all I've been doing for a month, and it's killing me. So this morning, I decided to go out and do a little quick duck hunt. Was successful. But I wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody that helped me out with subscriptions and liking the videos and commenting. It has boosted my channel tremendously. And I think as of this morning, I'm 3 subscribers away from 1,000. So that's a big milestone. Never thought it would go anywhere near this big. And in the grand scheme of things, I'm not big, don't get me wrong. But for me, it's a great accomplishment, and it's all because of you guys. I'm really hopeful that you're liking what I'm putting out. And it seems to be resonating with a lot of people, so that's good. So a big thank you. Keep up the likes and the comments and the subscriptions. Everyone means a lot to me. So thank you for that. So this morning, did a little duck hunt. You'll see the video here directly. It went well. Saw quite a few wood ducks, 1 or 2 mallards, like super high. Yesterday was 77. Today, I think the high is going to be like 60. Chance of rain this evening, pretty much all day tomorrow. So this is going to be my last duck hunt for the year, and I only went twice. Things just never kind of really worked out for the duck season for me. Early part of the first two splits, was busy with getting straight for deer season and getting the campers ready and all that stuff, and just never really worked out. And then this last split, I've been sick pretty much the entire time. I think I went once before Christmas and didn't see the first duck. So we got a big push of ducks in when the big cold front came through, and everything up north got a bunch of snow, but I couldn't go. There's no way. I couldn't stop coughing long enough to even have a shot. So this morning was my kind of last hurrah, if you will. And I probably saw 20 to 30 wood ducks. Shot a nice Drake wood duck. And yeah, had a beautiful time. Beautiful sunrise this morning in a beautiful place. This is part of the Dragon Run Swamp in Virginia. And I'm on a private permission that I've got. So, I'm satisfied. It was a good day. It was a successful day. I'm glad to be out in the outdoors, because God being cooped up in the house kills me. I'm not an inside person. So, yeah. We were supposed to start rabbit hunting tomorrow, which is late for us. We've usually gone a few times by now, and the guys have gone out a couple times. But they were just, trying to get dogs in shape, stuff like that. So, hopefully the weather will be good tomorrow. We can do some rabbit hunting and shoot some bunnies. So I've been trying for 2 years to get a decent rabbit hunting video put together, and I've made it my mission to get a good rabbit hunting video done this year. It's kind of tough because there's a lot of periods in between when you're running rabbits that, you know, you're not seeing rabbits. The dogs are, you know, 500 yards away, whatever. So it makes it a little bit tough, and it's always in thick cover, and it's hard to see. Even when the rabbit comes in, it's hard to see to get the shot on camera. So I'm going to give it my best this year. Be on the lookout for that. And yeah, hopefully I can start pumping out some more videos and keep everybody entertained and keep everybody, you know, glued to the channel, because we got some big stuff coming up. Me and Kevin have been prepping for the last 2-3 months for gold dredge season. We are working on some new properties, and a couple of them look really promising. We have acquired some more equipment, so that's going to be a big deal. It's going to make testing new spots a lot easier and a lot more productive. So really looking forward to dredge season coming up. Probably start prospecting next month, February, and then start testing heavily in March, and then April, May, June through the summer, we're going to hit it hard this year. Me and him are both really keen to get out and to reach a milestone with our gold prospecting. We're both shooting for an ounce this year, and that's a pretty big task in Virginia. Unless you've got just a great honey hole, you've got to work pretty daggone hard to get an ounce of gold in Virginia. But that's our goal. We're going to shoot for it really hard and try to make that happen. So I'll be bringing you along on that. Let's see, any other news? I think it's it. Thanks for sticking with me. I know it's a little bit tough when, you know, I can't get a video put out weekly to stay up in your feed. But turn that notification bell on, hit that subscribe button, like the videos, comments, just load me up, show me some love, and I'll do my best to provide some great content, some great videos, and yeah, hope you like it. All right, thanks guys. Got that one. Oh, too bad. I like wood duck. Wish I'd have connected on the first 2 shots. Guess I'm gonna get up and see if I can find that first wood duck I shot. Another one buzzed me and lit down there about where he was, so maybe I can sneak up to there and get a shot on him too. He's been dead for, I don't know, half an hour probably, so maybe if I can do it without eating it, we'll see. It was a little easier this morning. I had my jet sled to help me balance, throwing out decoys. And he was right here. I'll look around, see if I can find him. So I got a wood duck down in here somewhere. I know he's dead. I absolutely stoned him when I shot. But it is thick and briary. And, ow. Makes it a little tough to get through. He landed right here somewhere, close. I marked a spot when he fell. Yeah, I got feathers. Alright, there he is. See if I can get to him. Sure was pretty this morning. Had a pretty big spread out this morning. Found this a bunch of times actually. And I tried it both ways. Small spread, big spread. And seems like I have a little bit better luck with a bigger spread. As far as trying to pull some ducks in and get them in range. So I'm gonna slowly pick up. Nothing happens, we'll call it a day. So here is my wood duck I got this morning. Nice straight wood duck. Beautiful bird. The colors in these things are just amazing. Look at those colors. Beautiful birds. All the different color. So yeah, it was a successful hunt. Had a great morning. So yeah, it was a great morning. Had a great sunrise. It's not, 5 degrees and snowing and the wind blowing, but the ducks flew okay. This warm weather we've had kind of screwed them up a little bit. I think it pushed a bunch of birds out, but at least I wasn't sitting here shivering all morning. So gotta look at that. So it was a success. It was a quick little hunt. I think it's like 7:30. I'm gonna call it quits for the day. Be my last hunt for the year. So now we're gonna start getting into shooting some bunnies. So yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, we got some big stuff coming up, so yeah, stay tuned. All right, thanks guys.